How to use Square Website Builder 2023. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Square Website Builder is a powerful tool that enables you to create stunning websites without any coding knowledge. Whether you're starting an online store or a blog, Square Website Builder has everything you need to get started. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the basics of using Square Website Builder, and we'll cover everything from signing up for an account to selecting a template and customizing your website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a good knowledge of how to use Square Website Builder to create a professional-looking website that reflects your brand. So, let's get started and learn how to use Square Website Builder to build your website. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this URL link over here, which is squareup.com. This is the official page of Square. Now, what you're going to do if you don't have an account yet is simply click on sign in. Usually there is a sign in over here, but right now I am logged in, so it's not going to show. And if you don't have an account, you can simply click on get started over here and you would be redirected to the sign up page of Square. Now, after signing in, you would be able to see this dashboard over here. This is where you will be able to manage every single components and different features that SquareUp offers for you. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to look over here on the left side. As you can see, we have a lot of options. We have under quick access, we have home, where we are right now, online, items, orders, transactions, and customers. Under customers, you would be able to see different informations about customers accessing and buying from your website. This is where you will be able to see your history of buyers also. It is similarly with transactions. You would be able to see the history of your transactions on your website, like what people are buying, how much it is, when they are buying it. You also have orders over here and items, where you will be able to list your products that you would like to sell on your website. And online over here, this is where you will be able to create your website. By clicking on online, we would be redirected to this page over here. We're going to wait for it to load. As you can see here, we have a sample page over here. This is like a sample website. As you can see here, you would be able to see information about how you could start with retail, restaurant, service, and nonprofit website. As you can see here, every page has different information into them. Scrolling down, you would be able to see information like build community relations, engage supporters with Instagram, and you would also be able to see the promos over here. These are the different plans of SquareUp. As you can see right now, we are using free plan. There's also professional, plus, and premium. Now, what we're going to do is we're simply going to select a type of website that we would like to create between these four options over here. For the meantime, I'm going to go with retail. You would be able to see information about how Square manages their retail website. As you can see here, it is easy setup, no monthly fees. You could sell on social media and you could run your whole business. There's also more information in this section, like make an impression with custom layouts, powerful features for online selling, harness the power of Instagram and other social medias, and many more information. And like earlier, you would be able to see the plan for this specific type of website. We have 3 plans over here. Unlike the other one, which has 4, we have free, plus, and premium version. Now, what we're simply going to do to get started is you're going to click on this button, which is get started, and we would be redirected to this page where we will be able to access and edit different components about our website. And as you can see, this is like an overview of our website. Over here on the left side, this is the overview where we can see different information like statistics, like for the past days. You have QR code ordering, site description, join the seller community, send an email to your customers, and many more information. We have website over here. By clicking this, we would be able to edit our site, domains, SEO, form submissions, and site preferences. Under items, you would be able to see site items, site category, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, item sync, and item preferences over here. Under fulfillment, you would be able to check out your pickup and delivery, shipping, and self-serve ordering. Under reports, you would be able to see information about your website, like summary, site traffic, site activity, sources, online sales, site items, abandoned carts, and coupons, and marketing. There's also communication, sales channels, photo studios, and apps over here. If you want to add apps to your website, as you can see here, we have different apps that is built for our website. Over here, we have Printful, which is very familiar print-on-demand website. So what we're going to do next is we're going to click on our website and click on Edit Site, so that we would be able to check out how we can create our website on Square. And over here, as you can see, this is the editing page of Square. You would be able to change the way you view your website by clicking on this button over here. We could change it to mobile, just like that, as you can see here. What I'm going to do first though is I'm going to go back because I have selected a template beforehand. So we're going to start from scratch. Now over here, when you're creating your first website, this is what you would usually see first. You're going to have to select a style to go with. As you can see here, we have multiple options. This is the one that I have selected over here. And there are other options over here. You can simply choose whatever option that you like the most. For us, we're going to change it to this one over here, and we're going to customize this design. So we're going to click on customize and apply new style, just like that. And we're back here on our section that we saw earlier. We're going to click on done over here. And as you can see, this is our website right now. Over here on the left side, we would be able to edit our header, item list, footer, and footer branding. We could also add more sections by clicking this button, and you would be able to add some main banner, text and image, featured categories, featured items, image gallery, video, and about section over here. You could click on show more and you would be able to see more sections that we could add. For example, donations, events, membership, featured menu items, Instagram feed, button, embedded code, PDF. There's also forms over here, location and hours, email newsletter, and RSS feed. You could add any of the section depending on what you would like to see on your website. For example, for us, we're going to add an Instagram feed if that's going to work. As you can see here, we have our Instagram. You could change it from this style to this style over here, where you would be able to manage by clicking on the buttons over here. There's also other sections that we could try and add. For example, we're going to add an about section by clicking this. We also have other styles that we have over here. There's also images or just plain text, just like that. We're going to go with the plain one, just like that. And after selecting all the different sections that you would like to add, we're now going to proceed on how we would like to see our website. As you can see, the arrangement of our different section is header, about, Instagram feed, item list, and footer. And now I'm going to rearrange this by simply clicking on the 6 dots over here on the left side, and we're going to drag our section to wherever we would like to see it, just like that. As you can see, I moved the about section below the item list, just like that. Now the first thing we're going to see is the Instagram feed. Now to edit specific sections of your page, you're simply going to click on the page itself or over here on the left side. To edit the header, we're going to click this, and we would be able to edit the content such as logo. The navigation, we could enable this just like that. We could add buttons. Right now we have this order now button over here. We have icons also. We could add icons like cart icons and search icon. You can change the color of the icons by clicking on this button over here. Under customize, you would be able to edit the layout and color over here, just like this. You could change the layout of our header by clicking on this different options that we have. I'm going to select one that I like. For example, this one, we're going to go with this one. We have sticky header. We could enable this or scroll reveal on scroll out or no effects over here, just like that. You could edit the color style by clicking on this different options over here. You could also add a background if you want. Over here, you could select a color style if you want. And what I would like to do is actually I'm going to add a logo. By clicking this, you would be able to edit the logo. Right now, it's a text type. I'm going to change it to image, and I'm going to upload an image. Over here, you would be able to upload image by clicking on my image. This is where you will be able to upload an image. We're going to click this, and just like that, this is my logo for the meantime. I'm going to click on done, and we're going to wait for it. And just like that, as you can see, we have our logo on our website. As you can see also, it is currently linked to home. We could edit this and add a link to our logo so that when people click on our logo, they would be redirected to another page. As you can see, it is currently linked to our homepage, which is this one right now, so that when they click on our logo, they would be redirected back to the homepage. You could also click on navigation over here. You could add navigation links by clicking this, and we could add navigation links just like that. You could link it to other parts of our page, like an item page, just like that, and you could search in the item that we want. Right now we don't have an item, so we're going to add an item later on. We're going to go back, click on down over here. Now you could also edit the content of your Instagram feed by clicking this. You would be able to add and connect it to your Instagram by clicking on connect Instagram button over here. You should connect it to your business Instagram or your brand Instagram, so that you would be able to see the different images posted into your Instagram over here on your website also. You could also click on content. You could edit the section title over here. By clicking this, you would be able to edit the style, the all caps. Over here, you could also add username, like the @ and then the username of our Instagram account. You could disable this as well, just like that. And there's also a button over here if you want to see the full feed, just like that. You could edit the style, the size, and the color. You could also customize the layout and color and the background. You can do the same thing to the item list, about, and the footer section and the footer branding. You could do the same thing, like you could edit the logo, navigation, the title, and the other things that are specially added on the specific section of the page. Just like this one, we have text over here. You're going to click on done. And after editing your page, after making sure that the content is satisfying for you, you can simply click on preview over here, and you would be able to see the preview of our website right now. We're going to click on close preview, just like that, and we're going to click on publish. And over here we can set up our domain. Right now we are going to use the Square subdomain. If you have your own custom domain, you could simply put it over here, like in this section and in this section. We're going to go with this one for now, and just like that, our website has been published. We're going to click this, and as you can see, this is our website right now. To add products to your website, you can simply go back to our website over here, click on exit editor, and in this section you're going to click on items and site items over here. You're going to wait for it for a bit, and in this section you could add the items that you would like to sell on your website. When you click on create new item, you could choose from create new item, create item from delivery service, or create item from a PDF. We're going to create an item from scratch. Click on continue. And in this section, you would be able to add item type over here, the item title, the price, description, visibility, fulfillment over here, additional information, nutritional values if you want, if you want to add, variation, modifiers, SEO, and your image over here. After adding your product, you can simply click on save over here. You would be able to see the product that you have created on your website over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.